Hello everyone. In cost management, we have 5 units. First unit is cost control and cost reduction. Second unit is marginal costing. Third unit is standard costing. Fourth unit is budgetary control. And fifth unit is ABC costing, that is activity based costing. So first unit, cost control and cost reduction, which has been covered in my previous classes in college. Second unit is marginal costing, I covered, and standard costing third unit, it is covered in my previous classes. Now we will discuss, that is fourth unit, that is budgetary control. Budgetary control we will discuss now. So in this unit, you people will learn what is budget, what is budgetary control, types of budgets, steps in preparation of budget, how to prepare cash budget and flexible budget. We'll learn these topics in this unit. So the goal of every organization is to minimize the cost and maximize its profits. In order to achieve that goal, every organization needs a good budgetary control system. Without that system, organization cannot reduce their cost. So to reduce their cost, the budgetary control system should be good. So without that budgetary control system, they cannot reduce their cost. Before discussing about budgetary control, first we should know that what is budget. So see here, an estimate of future costs and revenues expressed in a monetary term covering over a specific period of time. Here, a specific period of time is nothing but a particular year. For example, 2013 and 14, 15 and 16, or 16 and 17, that is called particular year. And also see that estimate of future costs and revenues. So what is that estimate? So estimate is nothing but not exact values or figures. It is rough values or figures. For example, you can take before construction of one building, the owner will estimate the cost of material or labor cost or other expenses or other cost. That is not exact value or exact cost. It is estimate cost of a building, not exact values, not exact. It is rough cost of a building. When we will know exact cost after construction of building, we'll get to know that exact cost. So estimate is nothing but rough values. It is not exact values. So overall, budget is an estimate of income and expenditure for a set of period. How much income they will get in a particular year and how much expenditure incur in a particular year is called budget. Next topic we'll discuss what is budgetary control. The establishment of budget relating to responsibilities of executives, to the requirements of a policy, and the continuous comparison of actual with budgeted result, either to secure by a individual action the objectives of the policy or to provide a basis for revision. So budgetary control is a process of establishment of a budget. So it is a process. So process is nothing but steps. So what are the steps involved in a budgetary control? First step is they will set an objective. They'll set one objective. Then second one is they will identify the income source. Then they will design the budget. And then they will implement that budget. And finally they will take feedback. So these are the main steps or process of budgetary control. So budgetary control, it is a process of establishment of budgets relating to various activities. So various activities is nothing but in an organization we have n number of activities. Example, sales activities, production activities, marketing activities, or any other activities. We have n number of activities in an organization. And comparing the budgeted figures with actual performance, they'll compare the budgeted figures. The budgeted figures is nothing but the standards. They'll fix the standards. They will fix the standard and compare the actual performance with standards. For example, budgeted cost to produce a particular product is rupees 10, but the actual cost is rupees 15 they spent. They will identify the reasons why the cost is increased more than budgeted cost, and they try to control the cost within budgeted figures. It is called budgetary control. Next topic, we will discuss types of budgets. We have n number of types. Mainly, we will discuss cash budget and flexible budget. Next topic, we will discuss what is cash budget. A cash budget is a forecast of estimated cash receipts, estimated cash payments, and the resultant cash position for a certain period of time is called cash budget. So cash budget prepared to estimate the cash inflow and outflow during a specific period of time is called cash budget. So in a particular period, how much cash come into the business and how much cash will go out of the business. To identify that, they will prepare cash budget. So next topic, we'll discuss flexible budget. So flexible budget is nothing but based on output of an organization. Based on that, the values of budget also will change. The values or figures also will change based on output is called flexible budget. Example, to produce 50 units, the labor cost is 1 lakh. If they increased to 80 units, the labor cost also will increase, that is 1 lakh 20. Again, if they increase to produce 100 units, again the labor cost also will increase. So based on output of an organization, the budgeted figures also will increase. It is called flexible budget.